Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: a company manufactures a variety of products which all use the same parts. Currently, the company manufactures the part itself. It has been producing 9,000 parts annually. The annual cost of producing the part at the level of 9,000 parts include direct materials $3, direct labor $8, variable manufacturing overhead $4, fixed manufacturing overhead $3, total cost $18. All of the fixed manufacturing overhead costs would continue whether the part is made internally or purchased from an outside supplier. Assume the company can purchase 9,000 parts from an outside vendor for $20 each, and the facilities currently used to make the part could be used to manufacture 9,000 units of another product that would have a $6 per unit contribution margin if no additional fixed cost would be incurred. What should the company do? Make the new product and buy the part to earn an extra $1 per unit contribution to profit. Continue to make the part to earn an extra $2 per unit contribution to profit. Continue to make the part to earn an extra $1 per unit contribution to profit. Make the new product and buy the part to earn an extra $4 per unit contribution to profit. And the answer of the question is: to determine the most profitable option, let's analyze the cost and contribution margins of each alternative. Pause the video and go through the calculations. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.